In this video, I want to talk about how you can see your profit on Binance. Now, what you should do is open up Binance, log into your account and go to trade, click on spot in here, and then you will scroll down and click on order or trade history. From in here, you should be able to see all that you've bought and sold, and from in there, you can calculate your profit. Now, if you don't want to do it this way, there's another way that you can check for your transaction history. So if you come back here and hover your account, go to transaction history, and from in here, you will be able to see under crypto and transfer, you can see all of your withdrawals and deposits. So you can calculate if you deposit 200 and you withdraw 300, then obviously you're 100 in profit. So that is basically how you can do it, guys. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.